Welcome to TechZone USA. In this video, you will learn how to create videos using AI and how you can earn money from them. AI video creation means using artificial intelligence tools to generate scripts, voices, visuals, and even full videos. Today, many beginners are using AI to start YouTube channels, Facebook pages, and online businesses without showing their face. First, let us talk about how to create AI videos. Start by choosing a clear topic such as education, technology, motivation, or tutorials. Next, use AI tools to write your script. Always make sure your script is original, helpful, and easy to understand. After the script, use an AI voice tool to convert text into natural-sounding voice. Choose a clear accent and avoid robotic voices as much as possible. Then use video editing tools like CapCut or other AI video generators. Add relevant images, stock videos, or AI-generated visuals that match your script. Use simple transitions and readable text on screen. Now let us talk about how to earn money from AI videos. You can earn from YouTube monetization once your channel meets the requirements. You can also earn through affiliate marketing by promoting tools or products. Another way is freelancing, where you create AI videos for clients. You can also sell AI video services or grow a Facebook page and earn through brand deals. It is very important to follow platform rules. Avoid copyright music and videos. Use royalty-free assets and always create original content. Do not use misleading or fake information. AI videos can be monetized if they provide value and originality. Consistency and quality are the keys to success. If you stay patient and keep learning, AI can help you build a strong online income source. Thank you for watching TechZone USA. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and keep learning.